Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Instagram store. First, convert your personal Instagram profile to a professional business account. Next, connect this business account to a Facebook page. Then, upload your product catalog to Facebook Commerce Manager. It is crucial to ensure all your products meet Instagram's commerce eligibility requirements before proceeding. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes and is essential for unlocking shopping features. Once your shop is set up, enable shopping features within your Instagram business settings. You can tag up to 5 products per single image post or 20 products in a carousel post, making your feed shoppable. Don't forget to utilize product stickers in Instagram stories, offering a direct link for customers. Also, create engaging shoppable posts and reels to visually showcase your items and drive interest. Now, personalize your shop by customizing its layout and organizing product collections. Promote your shop effectively through targeted Instagram ads and strategic collaborations with other accounts. Consider using Instagram Live Shopping to demonstrate products in real time, answering customer questions instantly. Remember to actively engage with your customers through direct messages and comments, building a strong community around your brand. To ensure continued success, regularly monitor your shop's performance using Instagram Insights. Track key metrics such as product views, clicks, and sales data to understand customer behavior. Use these valuable insights to adjust your marketing strategy and optimize your product offerings. Continuously update your product catalog with new and exciting items to keep your audience engaged and encourage repeat purchases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.